I thought I'd share this as a follow-up to the other video that I made about ring modulation. I'm now using the same technique here. This is now 3 oscillators. So I have here 3 oscillators, oscillator 1, 2, and 3 multiplied by one another, and then I get their signal here, creating all sorts of percussive sounds. And then I have here the speed of the metronome and the length of the decay. And I can change this oscillator to a sawtooth, which will give me very digital sounds as well. And then I added a little reverb.